Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Wayfarers Pantomime Society. We'll be back at the Brewhouse in January to do Beauty and the Beast. Tickets are available from the Brewhouse or from the Brewhouse website. Now, we're going to do a couple of songs for you today from the show. But if you want to see the whole thing, all the comedy, all the dancing, all the mayhem, come along in January for a great family show. Here we go.
Mademoiselle, it is pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you here tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.